In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and schedule a Pinterest post with Buffer's AI assistant. First, open Buffer in your browser. When it loads, you'll land on the Publish dashboard. This is the workspace where you create, plan, and manage content for all your connected channels, so everything you need will be right here. Next, look to the left sidebar under Channels and select your Pinterest account. If you manage more than one profile, double-check you're choosing the correct one so your post goes to the right place. Once selected, the composer will tailor options for Pinterest. Click the plus New Post button to open the post editor. This is where you'll build the content for your pin. Start by uploading your Pinterest image or pin. Choose a high-quality, vertical image that's clear and on-brand. Crisp visuals tend to perform better on Pinterest, so aim for bright, well-lit photos or clean graphics. With your image in place, click AI Assistant at the top right inside the post editor. The AI Assistant is designed to help you quickly craft a caption that fits Pinterest style, saving you time while keeping your message engaging. Enter your Pinterest topic or prompt. Keep it simple and focused on the value your audience will get. For example, you might type sleeping tips, tests, productivity habits, or time management ideas. You can also mention your audience or tone in the prompt to guide the writing style. Click Generate to create the caption. In a moment, you'll see an AI-generated Pinterest caption appear in the editor. Read it carefully from top to bottom. Make sure it matches your brand voice, is clear, and reflects the main point of your pin. Edit the caption if needed. You can tighten sentences, add a call to action, or include any key details the AI may have missed. Keep it skimmable and helpful, and avoid overly long blocks of text. Add hashtags or keywords if needed. On Pinterest, concise, relevant terms help with discovery. Place a handful of targeted keywords or short hashtags at the end of your caption to improve reach without overwhelming the reader. When you're happy with everything, you have two options. Click Schedule Post to choose a date and time that aligns with your content plan, or select Publish immediately to send it live right away. Scheduling helps you stay consistent, while immediate publishing is great for timely updates. And that's it. You've opened Buffer, selected your Pinterest channel, created a new post, used AI to generate and refine a caption, added strategic keywords, and either scheduled or published your pin.